Hey guys, Gary here from RV Living Life. A little while back we had a pretty serious problem. We blew our Hughes Autoformer, our Hughes Power Watchdog, and a couple of cables. The plugs burned on them. It was quite the experience. But anyway, we got it all fixed now. This video I'm going to show you how to change the surge protector in the Autoformer. I made a previous video about how to change the circuit board in the surge protector. So let's get to it. Thanks for coming. Hey guys, Gary here from RV Living Life. Today we're going to replace the module inside the Hughes Autoformer. I ordered one online, and apparently sometimes you get these modules here, and there's also a small card that comes with it too for the lights. In most cases, this is all you need. You don't need the card to replace it because usually the lights survive. Usually the surge module itself dies and you just replace this. So we're hoping that's the case. And what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to drill all these holes out. And this has 3 plugs inside. We just unplug it inside, replug it again, and that's as easy as it is. Looks like it actually only has 2 plugs, so it should be real simple. The issue is it's riveted, so we're going to have to drill the rivets out at first, and then they gave us some new screws to put in there. So I really only have the basic kit. Apparently you're supposed to get screws, a drill bit, an extra card, but all I got was this and 4 screws, 1 extra one. Not sure how that ended up, but we'll give it a go. So we'll start out with drilling out a hole here. Okay, let's see what's inside. There we go. Lots of good stuff in there. This is the module we want to change right here. It's got a zip tie on it. Okay, the scissors wouldn't cut it. There we go. And that's the module. Looks like they've improved the module. It's definitely different. Just switch all the plugs over. There we go. Take that one away. Black to black, white to white. Hard to plug that one together. This one, it's definitely plugged together. Okay, we're good. So now everything's zipped in there again, or everything's plugged in again. Looks good. Just trim that tail off. All right. Now we can just put it back together. Now you don't want to over tighten these. You don't want to strip it. Just get them snug. There we go. Now if luck is with us, the job is done. Let's see how it goes. So the power watchdog is white now. Everything's green on the Autoformer. Looks like great success. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Maybe it can help you. Please like and subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Anything you can do to support the channel would much, much appreciated. Have a great day, everyone. Thanks for coming. Bye now.